Right, here you go, Amazonians. Sorry, I'm trying to watch my step. The slide is really easy, pretty sturdy. It will pull down with a little bit of pressure, but with that by itself, with the shower handheld by itself, it holds really good. It is reversible, so you can go on either side. This part pivots like so. And then the diverter is very smooth. Installs really easy. Really good product. I got the rain shower head off of Amazon and the handheld off of Amazon, both by the same company. So, and the brush nickel goes well with all other brush nickels. You can't even tell that there's a difference in manufacturer. So, yeah, great purchase. Probably gonna get another one from my mom.
Today's project was installing the adapter for the American Standard ball shower arm, and then I installed the Moen handheld shower. It's also magnetized for an easy connection to the shower head arm.